In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring invoice on Freeagent. This process is quite straightforward and can save you a lot of time by automating the billing for your clients. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the Recurring Invoices section. On Freeagent's top menu, go to the Work tab. Once there, select Recurring Invoices from the drop-down. This is where you can manage all of your ongoing billing profiles. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the option that says Add Recurring Profile. This action will help you begin setting up a new schedule for automated invoicing. Next, you'll enter the details of the recurring profile. Under Contact and Project, select your customer from the drop-down list. If the client isn't already in your system, you can add them as a new contact. Additionally, if this invoice is related to a specific project, you can link it here. Then, move on to the Invoice Details section. Here, you'll need to enter a reference number for the first invoice, which works like a unique identifier for your records. After that, determine the start date. This is the date when the first invoice will be generated. Choose a frequency for sending out invoices, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or another interval that fits your needs. Optionally, you can set an end date to stop automatically sending invoices after a certain point, or leave it open-ended if you want it to continue indefinitely. Finally, define the payment terms and select the appropriate currency for your client. Now, you'll want to add line items and additional options. Begin by clicking Add Items. Here, you can either enter the details for each item you want to include on the invoice or select pre-existing items from your price list. Next, decide how you want the invoices to be sent. You can choose to have them automatically emailed to the client or keep them as drafts if you prefer to review them before sending. For seamless transactions, consider setting up e-payments. Freeagent offers integration with Stripe, PayPal, and Go Cardless to automate payments. Finally, if there's anything else you want your client to see when they open the invoice, such as your terms and conditions or any notes, add that extra text in the provided space. Once you've reviewed all the information and are satisfied, it's time to create and activate the profile. Look for the Activate option on the final screen and select it. By doing this, you are completing the setup process and the recurring invoice will now be active. Freeagent will generate invoices according to the schedule and settings you've outlined, helping streamline your invoicing practices. And there you have it. Setting up a recurring invoice on Freeagent is as simple as that. With this setup, you can effortlessly manage your invoicing, save time, and ensure timely payments, allowing you to focus more on growing your business.